Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tinder something went wrong error. So if you're facing this error, I will show you how to fix this. For this, first of all, just open up your mobile settings here. Then simply scroll down and tap on this app management. Now you have to tap on this app list and you have to find Tinder here. So in the search bar, just simply search for Tinder. Here it is, tap on it. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this storage and cache. Simply tap on this clear cache and then tap on this clear data as well. Now go back and here tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi usage. Now you have to restrict data usage. So if this toggle is turned on, just simply toggle this off. And now go back, open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just simply search for this Tinder here. And now you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Tinder application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. After that, restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.